way to this little car place. Oh, green means go. To go look at some classic cars, and there's a car Adam really wants to see there. And I guess that's the plan for today. We haven't had a video out in a while. We've just been busy.
Life's been boring.
Life's been boring. That's a HR. I've got a new job, so I really haven't had time to do anything. I work on the weekends now. Dayton hasn't changed anything. Adam is still building his car. He's got actually everything together. We just gotta put everything. We gotta put the engine together now to make everything happen. You all right?
Dude, it used to be gravel out there, dude.
Yeah.
It's all grass now. You can play soccer out there. That's crazy.
All right. On another note,
looks like a fucking golf green.
That's just so random. Me and Kayla actually have something pretty big coming up here soon, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna make a video on that most definitely. But other than that, let's go see these cars real quick
and see Dr. Crossfire injection 1982 Corvette. Beautiful. With the glass T-tops, which are really rare to find.
God, that is beautiful right here. Oh, there's a truck. So I found a truck over here that I was looking at, but then I found another one that I really want. Yeah, I know. That I really want here. So yeah. Got some stuff to do before, but if it's still available, I'm thinking about copping it. I'm just going with it. God, that is beautiful. What? I know. Hey, you can't get his attention. Hey, there's a truck I was looking at. Come here and check it out. PT, come here. God, this is his color too. Look. That's what I was saying.
I was trying to get your attention.
Dude, it even comes with the trailer.
I want those taillights on my car. Dude, they come with the freaking trailer. I want those taillights on my car. Those taillights are crazy. And I want that steering wheel too. You know why I want the steering wheel?
Why? It's got cruise control
on the steering wheel. That's nice. This car is nice. I'm not even gonna lie.
All right, y'all wanna go check out this truck real quick?
Oh, that car is so nice. It's attention to detail.
49,000 miles.
Those are the wheels I want on my kids too.
God. That is so... 454 right here. That's what I would love.
That's nice too.
That is nice.
But
that
it's not exactly what I like though.
Dayton, I could see you in this.
I would drive this truck. Oh my god.
See how much it is. Oh my Dayton. That's 100 and Dayton. How much?
9,000. Full-blown stick shit? Full-blown
$100 a month.
Wow. Dude, I might own that. That is such a nice car.
Adam, you would look so good in this.
There's so many cars here that like I would drive. What is that?
Dude, I would drive one of these.
Is
what?
that Chevelle?
No, that's an old El Camino.
That's an El Camino?
Yeah.
Oh, that's ugly.
It's got the same steering wheel as the HHR. Dude, look at this. Look, this is what I want right here. Come here. God bless America. Woo! 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 Goodness gracious, dude. I wouldn't know what to do with myself.
4.6 liter bi-turbo V8.
Twin turbo V8. What in all tarnation is this? This is ridiculous. I'm gonna be dead honest with y'all. This is ridiculous.
It's so ugly.
Dude, as soon as you get the truck, you gotta get tires for it. That's cracked. No, it ain't. That's where it goes together. Dude, that's a custom-made frame. It is ridiculous. Off-road worthy truck. 5'3". 2-inch tube. I want to know how like tall, like. Oh, there's the interior right there. Dude, this thing is ridiculous. That's pretty nice. That's clean. That's clean. That Toyota is really clean. I know this thing right here would probably still do better than most Jeeps that are brand new today off the assembly line. Like, this is the original off-roader. Gosh, look, there's the gear shifting instructions. First, second, it's a 3-speed. It's dope. Dayton over here is taking some pictures. What?
That truck is so mean.
But
that
the square body's
so
not?
mean, dude. 5.8.
That is pretty big.
Dude, that truck.
Huh? How much is it a month?
It's 19 grand. $190.
This is pretty clean. $216 a month. You can have a Chevrolet SS. Nice old 350 in there, bone stock. Nothing done to it. How much? $710 a month for what?
They definitely weren't.
All right, y'all. We're going to where Mexico is supposed to be this weekend. Everybody said it's going to be pretty hot up in meat. But yeah. So let's see where this is going to end up taking us. I don't know where we're going, so it's kind of like. But they said it was going to be racing, I guess. But let's see. An original Lightning. That's goals. Shut up, Dayton.
Oh shit! I haven't seen
I haven't seen a first-gen Lightning in a minute. I've seen.
Woo!
Mitsubishi.
Oh, baby, yes. I see you over there. Fuck the Ford. I'm talking about the Chevy. This road used to keep going straight.
Those wheels on that Sierra are nice. Those wheels on that. Right. The Denali wheels. I dare you to do something.
We have found a Mexico.
That's amazing.
Kinda.
Show the crowd.
I'm not showing a crowd because this video is going up today. We gotta maybe work some things out to figure out how to run it, but we found a Mexico, and it's gonna be pretty lit if we can figure out how to make it work. That would be wicked.
Go through there. Go through there. Go through there.
Dude, do it.
No.
Please.
Go through it. Come
No.
on. Come on.
No, later.
No, because later's gonna come here and be like, no.
I'll do it whenever Ali comes.
Yeah, no balls. Yeah, I'll think it.
Wow, he's got DSMs out the ass. Dude. He's got DSMs out the freaking ass. Wow.
Dude, stop. I'm gonna knock on his door right now.
Oh my God. Dude, Adam, what are you doing?
Dude that builds freaking
Wow, look at that.
1G DSM.
Adam is literally gonna go knock on this dude's door.
Dude, honestly, I'd do the same if I saw like.
Should we pull in or just park it right here?
I'd just park it on.
Yeah, in case Adam's gotta run.
You don't want this guy to like come out with a double barrel.
If he comes out with a double, I'm keeping it in drive and overdrive's off.
Man,
So if we gotta skedaddle.
I'm sorry, dude.
Adam's looking in the house.
Dude, that's pretty crazy. Dang.
Oh my God, they're opening the door. Yeah?
Wow.
What'd he say?
Talk to that guy.
Who was it?
She said I can come back tomorrow and talk to him.
What time?
I don't know. But, what's the address? We should definitely run that, though.
We might.
Address, dude. We need to make a vlog about that. Those cars are so good.
Full send!
Full send.
God,
buddy.
Ultima's so clean.
I know, dude. It's as clean as my PG.